guys, Recycled Racing here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about a recent event that we held. We had a cruise in Doniphan, and we were trying to get supplies for hurricane victims that were recently affected by the hurricane that came through the eastern states. Thanks to everybody who showed up. So the plan was we were going to gather supplies in Doniphan, and we were going to bring this over to a larger event here in the Bluff, and we were going to add our supplies to that big group of supplies, and then we were going to caravan everything down to North Carolina. We had a place lined up that was willing to accept it. We were working with local emergency responders to get those supplies out to the people that needed them. And we were going to stay there for a day or so and make sure everything was going smooth and then head back. Somehow or another, the ball got dropped on the Poplar Bluff side, so we had to call an audible. So we went out to a company called Hope International, who already had people on the ground in North Carolina. You can check out their Facebook. They have a couple trailers down there. They're doing some good things. There's some good people trying to help out where they can. So we decided we were going to tie in with them. They're local and based in Burney, Missouri. So we brought our supplies over to their depot in Burney, Missouri, and they're going to get them down to North Carolina where they need to go. So you guys can watch that happen on Facebook if you follow along on their Facebook. So we're going to get the car ready, and we're going to head over and meet up with the crew, and then we're going to go get those supplies over to Burney. Join me, won't you? Thank you everybody that donated, and thank you everybody that showed up to the cruise in. If you guys are in need of something, or you guys have an event you would like us to show up to, please let us know. Please contact myself or contact the Riverside Hot Rods on their Facebook or YouTube channels, and we can see what we can do for you. We're trying to make the community a better place, so help us do that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys appreciated the update, and we will see you at the next event.